Welcome to Solflare Wallet versus Torus Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Solflare Wallet and Torus Wallet, focusing on their features, usability, security, and who they're best suited for to help you decide which one aligns with your needs. Solflare Wallet is a Solana-focused wallet, optimized for managing SOL tokens, interacting with Solana-based dApps, and staking Solana directly from the app. Available as a browser extension, mobile app, and web wallet, Solflare is known for its seamless integration with the Solana blockchain. It allows users to stake SOL with a variety of validators, providing rewards directly through the wallet. Additionally, Solflare supports NFTs on the Solana blockchain, making it ideal for Solana enthusiasts and traders. Security features like multi-signature support and phishing protection help safeguard assets, and it integrates with hardware wallets like Ledger for added safety. Solflare is perfect for users who are primarily invested in the Solana ecosystem and want a wallet with built-in Solana-specific functionalities. Torus Wallet, in contrast, is a Web3 wallet designed to simplify the user experience by offering seamless login options via social media accounts like Google, Facebook, and Discord. This makes it extremely easy for new users to get started with cryptocurrencies without needing to manage a private key or memorize complex passwords. Torus is a multi-chain wallet supporting Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and other networks. It integrates with a variety of DeFi platforms and dApps, offering flexibility for those looking to interact across multiple blockchains. Torus is also ideal for users who prioritize ease of use and a social login experience, as well as those new to crypto. If you are primarily focused on Solana, Solflare Wallet is a specialized option with more robust features for managing and staking SOL tokens. However, if you're seeking a multi-chain wallet with a simpler onboarding process and cross-chain functionality, Torus Wallet is a better choice. Both wallets are secure and user-friendly, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize Solana-specific features or a broader multi-chain experience. Check the links in the description to learn more about both.